Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to explain to you how you can build a hard habit really easily. Some habits at the beginning just seem really tough, like for example going to the gym. If you never went to the gym before, then the gym is just a big hole full of machines, full of people just doing stuff, and you don't understand a single bit of what you're supposed to be actually doing. To fix this problem, I recently listened to a podcast with Matt Fraser, who is the 5 times CrossFit Games champion. He explained a scenario similar to our problem with the gym when one of his buddies wanted to lose 100 pounds. So he asked Matt what he's supposed to do, and Matt just said, come tomorrow to my house and let's do a workout together. And they did. They did a 12-minute CrossFit circuit. Just 12 minutes. You heard that right. Not 30 minutes, not 1 hour, just 12 simple minutes. And the guy was just asking Matt, whoa, why only 12 minutes? Aren't we supposed to do more? No. You just go home, rest, I'll see you tomorrow, and tomorrow we will do another 12 minutes. And this continued for the next week, when they did 12-minute workouts each and every single day. After that week ended, they increased it to 16 minutes. Did it for another week and then increased it to 20. You can see what's going on here. They simply start off with the minimal dose of effort that you really want from a habit. And then they just practice the habit over and over and over again, just to build that habit itself, not looking at the most optimal training or whatever. He just wanted to get this habit to his friends so he would stick with it. And this is a great example of just doing the minimal effort possible to build a habit. For example, I wanted to start a habit of journaling every night, but I set out a goal that was really unrealistic. Write down at least half a page of text each evening. Most days I just wasn't motivated enough to sit down and actually write down half a page of text. I didn't have that many ideas to write it down, and it would probably take a lot of time for me. So after failing over and over again sticking to this habit, I reduced the size of the text to just 1 sentence. And each and every single day, I just have to write down 1 sentence about my day. It doesn't have to be anything really thought through, anything special, just 1 sentence each evening, and that's enough. I will probably increase it to 2 sentences, and after that 3, just to stick to the habit itself and slowly increase the difficulty. Over time, I will just build the habit of just going onto my desk, writing down a few sentences, and while I do that, some days I may just write the absolute minimum of that 1 sentence. Other days I may just feel like it and write down a whole page at once. And my motivation to actually do the task only depends on the minimal dose required. So if you want to start a new habit that seems really tough, just take the minimal dose possible and repeat that over the first month. After that, I guarantee you that you will be able to do more than that minimal dose each and every day, and you will be able to actually stick to the habit and make progress in the thing you want to make progress in. Okay, so this is gonna be it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick little video, and if you would like to see more of this content, please leave a like down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!